If you are tired of losing money in forex market, right, just watch this video to the end. I promise you I'm not going to be taking much of your time. I'm just going to be going straight to the point and give you the important information and the right details you need to know. So one thing to know is this: it doesn't really matter if you're a swing trader or you're a day trader or you're a scalper. This is one of the best strategy you can use to make good profit in forex trading. Just watch this video to the end. Now, I've come across so many people coming to my DM telling me that also forex, I keep losing back to back in my forex trading and stuff like that. Now, when they made this complaint, the first thing I'll ask them is, do you know what? Go and analyze your charts. No matter the currency you are trading on, send me the video or a picture of the currency, then I will know where you are getting it wrong. And I tell you, 90% of the time these guys are doing the wrong thing. Because of why? Market structure. See, forex is not a thing of, it's not a thing of gambling, right? So as a forex trader, you need to what? Understand market structure before you can be profitable in this game. Right now, before you jump into conclusion, before you jump into trading any market, you need to understand what the market structure. Now, for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be using an empty chart to analyze this currency. Currently I'm on GBP/JPY, one of my favorite currency, right? So I'm going to be analyzing this currency from fresh. But before then, let me just brief you guys on what is market structure. Right now, let's just go straight to the point now. So I'm going to be using this line chart for the purpose of this video, so that I'll be able to explain and analyze what is market structure. Now, as you can see, we have in forex trading, we have three major market structures, right? Which is the bullish market structure, the ranging market structure, and the bearish. And each of this market structure has its own principle or ways of trading it. The way you trade a bullish market structure is quite different from the way you trade a bearish market structure. You understand what I'm saying? So in a bullish market structure, there's always a principle guiding such market structure. You can see this one of it. This is a bullish market structure. How do you know if a market structure is bullish? You will see series of higher highs, higher low. When I mean higher highs, this is a higher high and a higher low, higher highs and a higher low, higher high and a higher low. This is completely a bullish market structure. In this market structure, all you need to look for is to what? Look for more of a buys. Look for more of a what? A buys. Just go long. When I mean long, just look for opportunity where you can buy. Okay, then I'm going to be explaining to you how you can do that. Before you buy, there are some things you need to put in place, you need to look after before you think of buying. Now, the second one on my desktop here, you can see we have, this is the ranging market structure. So I'm going to be analyzing this market structure one after the other, so that you see ways in which you can trade this market structure. And if you put this into practice, into a live chart, I tell you, you're going to be coming back to my page to thank me later. Now let's start with the bullish market structure. Now, how do you know if a market is a bullish trend? It's not the issue of you going to the weekly time frame, daily time frame, or even the 1 hour time frame. Now, how do you know if a trend is a bullish market structure? Now, first of all, the first thing to do is to what? You move over to your what? Daily. Now, mind you, the daily and the weekly time frame works in hand. They're almost the same thing. There's no difference about it. So like I said earlier, I'm going to be giving one of the best and simple strategy to use to trade forex and be profitable most of the time. Now, the first thing you need to do is to what? Move over to the daily time frame. You can see this is my daily time frame, and this is my chart. I'm currently on GBP/JPY. So if I zoom in, you can see that the overall market structure, we've been bullish for a long time. If I should draw my trend line, you see how market really acted. You can see we've been bullish for a long time, and suddenly price broke our trend line. So but this price action, let's just say is the cause of what? There was a massive news, maybe towards if we should check, you can see the month, I think August, there was a massive news during that period. So ideally, to me, the only time I would say that this market currently is now a bearish. When I mean a bearish, we are not in for a massive sell, is if only price could take this minor, or will I just say major support we have here. But unfortunately, you can see that what price came back from this area and it rejected, which means we are still in this bullish trend. Okay, now let me tell you, for the past week I've been busy buying this market, and I tell you I've been profitable. I won't lie to you. So now, men, looking at this, you can see on my daily time frame, ideally we are still bullish. We are still bullish in this market structure. Let me identify my highs and my low. This is the high price created on the daily time frame, and this is also the low it created. Now what we need to do is to what? Move over to the 4-hour time frame. Now, why do we go to our daily time frame? We go to daily time frame to identify the overall market structure of the to identify the overall market structure of the the currency you want to trade. So currently I'm on GBP/JPY, and the overall market structure, we are still in a bullish trend. Okay, now mind you, we don't trade on daily time frame. We only use daily 4-hour to analyze market structure, but we can only trade from the 1 hour, 15 minutes or 30 minutes time frame. Now what I'll do is I will move over to 4-hour time frame. Now watch this strategy and understand what I'm doing. You can see that I'm following this thing steps by step. Okay, now let me move over to my 4-hour time frame and see how we are going to go about analyzing this market eventually, to see if we can have an entry. Now you can see on my 4-hour time frame, I'm done concluding that what ideally I know that what we are in a bullish trend, so I'm only looking for a bullish opportunity to go in for more of a buy. Now what I'll do is to identify my high and low. You can see this is the high price created around this area, and also this is the low price created. You can see we have this minor support around this area. It's called minor, although because it's from the 4-hour time frame. When it's major, it's from the weekly and daily. We call it major support. So we have this minor. You can see the way I draw. I try to look for more touches. You can see. So now on the 4-hour time frame, ideally I can identify that this is the high price and this is the low price created. So what am I looking for in this market structure? It's very pretty simple. Since my own bias is this, that overall the market structure is a bullish trend, so from my daily time frame analysis, I'm only looking for more of a bullish market, more of a buy. You can see that even when this price broke this bullish trend, let me put in my trend line. Even when this price broke this bullish trend, right, instead of to sell and keep pushing down, price eventually rejects from this zone and we pushed up. That's that what ideally that we are still in a massive bullish trend. So what am I looking for? I'm only looking for more of a bullish opportunity. Now I've identified my support and resistance. Now let me take you back to this market structure. Now you see, for a bullish trend, to make profit along the line, let me say you have identified the bullish market to be highs and higher low. You know, for a bullish market is identified by a series of higher highs and higher low. Now how do you trade a bullish market? You use your support and your resistance for a pullback entry. So I will identify this, I'll identify my levels like this. So whenever I see a pullback, then ideally I will be going for a buy. But not just that I'll go for a buy, I need to still look for candlestick confirmation, candlestick analysis. But I'm not going to be dropping that here. So if you want to get more of my candlestick analysis, you can hit me up or chat me up. Then I'm going to be adding you to my private student mentorship program fully, where I'm going to be sharing you all my strategy you need to know to be successful in this forex market. Okay, now let's move over to the chart. Now you can see over here that we've been bullish for a long time. So what am I looking for? I'm looking for price to either come back to act on this my support area around this zone. Then eventually, when I see there are some things I need to look in place, which I'm not going to be sharing it here. I'm sorry, because of my students. Those are people that have paid for my mentorship, so there's no point of me giving this free mentorship here, whereas people have people have paid for it. Okay, so for the purpose of my students, please permit me to do this. So there's some candlestick you need to watch in place, or will I just say you need to also break these patterns into lower time frame, I think 15 minutes time frame, before getting an entry. So if this price eventually come to this my support area, then I'll now move over to the 15 minutes or 5 minutes time frame or 30 minutes time frame to get my perfect entries. That's just my look on this market, because of why the overall market structure for me is a bullish trend. Now let me show what I mean. Now let's take a good example of Euro USD, because I've been watching Euro USD for a long time. You see what I mean by perfect entry. Now let me go to Euro USD. So on Euro USD, you can see that what I've been trying to trade this. You can see that I've analyzed this trade. You can see on Euro USD like what we've been ranging, but overall market structure, we've been bullish for a long time, right? We've been bullish for a long time. So ideally, I'm only looking for more of a buy opportunity. But how do I do that? I can't buy on the 4-hour or daily time frame, right? So what I'll do is, after identifying the market structure on my zone, you can see this is a minor resistance and this is a minor support for me, which means whenever price comes to this zone, you can see there's an reaction of a push up to the upside, and you can see that we've been in form of a minor range. I think for a long time we've been ranging. Price came here, sold, came here, bought, came here, sold. So ideally, I'm also anticipating or expecting a buy from this area. Now what will I need to do is I will then move over to my lower time frame, like the 1-hour time frame, to see possible entry. So I was the one that did this, but let me get rid of this so that you don't get confused. Now what am I expecting of? You can see that what we've been selling for a long time, lower highs and lower low, lower highs and lower low. Then how do I know if this price currently in for a bullish? Is when we have a change of market structure. What do I mean? When price is no more giving us a lower highs and lower low, and now we are seeing a higher highs and higher low. But how do I do that? I'll bring my trend line, identify like 2 or 3 touches to see if we have a break of trend line, break of support, break of resistance, or and you can see we have a minor support around here. So ideally, if this price could push up around this area here, give us a pullback, then we can go in for a buy to target what. So this is going to be our take profit target. If we should calculate, this is going to be around this is going to be a swing trade, stop loss 20 pips minimum, 20 pips minimum, to target about 13 pips, or let me just say 15 pips profit. So if you are to be buying with less than no matter the account size you have, I tell you, this is a massive profit for you. Okay, so guys, this is how I analyze my trade. There's no magic about this thing. All you need to know is to identify the market structure. So but if you are still confused, or you want to get my full mastery class program, you can you can chat me up from my TikTok page. You can go to my DM and just chat me up. So if you want to be part of my students, you want to get full mentorship from me, and there are so many benefits you can achieve from me, not just the mentorship. I'm going to be giving you free signal as a student. You're going to be trading free with me until eventually you are very good to go. So you want to get this program, just go to my TikTok page. You can chat me up, send me a friend request, send me a message. I'm going to be replying to you. Okay, so I hope to see you guys on my next video.